feel better now?
Yeah, it was.
Oh. Put your channel out here now.
I know, right?
Everybody's helping. Mako Patrol 22.
Oh, this will be on there. I'm filming.
What do you think? I let it go get fixed.
Now if somebody here is short, shoot him on.
Hey, you're gonna be okay?
2
Wait, who was talking about somebody shoving a tampon up their ass? Did the brakes slide out when you
Yep.
pedal?
That was
Yeah.
Sean. I need to compress them.
I'll pull this back out a little bit more.
So we're not looking sword fighting with them.
Oh, let's see that good old break. Where's the pieces to it?
In there.
They're still in there. There's chunks laying on the ground. Yeah.
That's trophy worthy, right?
It is.
I think you should make a.
Hold on. This is dropped down.
No, it was.
There you go.
More shit coming off.
Trophy out of it.
Fuck is that?
That's your wheel cylinder plug came out because you had no pressure on those brake pedals.
Yeah.
When you hit that pedal, it popped out.
So this is a plug?
No, it's your wheel. It's your wheel cylinder. You're gonna need that rebuilt.
We're gonna have to.
Small
We're
plug.
gonna have to buy a new one.
It ain't worth. They're usually like $15. They ain't worth dealing with.
There we go.
It's time for them to just get an 8.
Yeah, it's time for a new axle. You got 5 of them lugs there, Dion? Oh, that's what's going to move real quick.
That's magnetic.
Oh, I was going to roll it up on the trailer.
Okay.
Roll it up on the trailer and go sideways.
Okay.
Got to put it in like a side angle.
Tree
Yep.
branch.
Okay, so
There you go.
What great ingenuity.
A little higher on the jack, please.
Exactly the same height, but it made it on the trailer.
A little more. Sweet. All right, let's come up. You want them to come down?
Yeah, come down a little bit, Ron.
Come down 4 inches?
Not 6.
More?
Not 6.
Yeah, more.
There's that 4 inches again.
That's why I said it. Keep going.
You got a ways to go.
Keep going. Hold up, slow down. You got 1 more inch to go.
that's what she said.
There's 1.
Go up a little.
Oh, it's got to be turned.
Yep. Well, it's down here.
Well, I'm still looking at the center. So yeah, he's got to go down.
You gotta go up.
Down, he's got to go down. That's your hub right here. See that?
Oh.
That's the hub.
Okay.
He's got to go down 1 more inch. A hair? Yeah, a hair more. Okay, right there. Now, yep. He should rotate.
Well, he can.
I can't get a handle on it.
Hey, pick up a little bit. Hold on.
I'm spinning.
A little more.
I'm spinning the tire.
Yep.
All right, now down. What? No, down half. Down half.
Down half.
Down half. Down half. Quarter. Should be good right there. Little right there. I don't pick these tires up if I don't have to.
Yeah.
All right, you got it on?
Go up. Yep. Go up.
Raise it up just a tad.
Up.
And make sure that spline comes back to me. I'm gonna be screwed if I don't.
Did you do the custom set?
No, it's off the shelf.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I think what did it
My
is-
Chevy's got a bigger one, so
back of the bumper.
don't have a backup of the small one.
Yeah.
Well, we're almost pissed because we just wanted to fucking exit, get out, and they wouldn't let us get out. And I'm like, they're like, you have to go all the way around. We're like,
Jim.
fuck this.
Right here.
Hey, did you even wheel if you don't break anything?
So he does this, like they
Hey, all I know is I did it all in 2-wheel drive.
get that dip cover off.
I was taught that when you brake,
Break it good or don't break it at all.
It's kind of real.